Hello, welcome to our channel Tech Lambda. This is our fifth module. So now we discuss here links and anchor tags. Understand how hyperlinks work in web page. First, we discuss links. What is links in HTML? HTML links are hyperlinks. They are used to navigate from one page to another. The A anchor tag, A for anchor tag, that is used to define a hyperlink. Example like that. A href http hypertext www.example.com, like widget example, like that. So basic structure of links. This is basic structure of link, look like that. Anchor tag href attribute. Here we declare attribute hyperlink reference destination URL. Like if you provide URL, then it's move easily. Link tags. What the user sees and click. Important attributes in tag. First, href. URL of the page the link goes to target. Self default open the same tab. If you add this attribute self, then it's open the same page in same tab. Blank open in new tab. If you add this attribute, oh, it's open in new tab. Self for same tab, blank for new tab. Title toolkit when use mouse. So now we discuss type of links. There are three type of links in HTML, like external links, internal links, and anchor links. External links means linking to another website. If you want to add two website, so if you give link and you easily move on second website. Internal links linking within the same website. If you want to move in same website in another page, then you add internal links. Anchor links jumping to the specific part of the page. If you have a same page but you want to a specific part of the page, then you use anchor links. So see, external links. Example, takes you outside your current website. So now we do practical so you easily understand what is the matter of the links. So first we discuss PPT, after that we do this example. And same for internal links. Example, takes you to another page within your website. See, third is first we discuss what is anchor. Third is anchor links. So we discuss what is anchor links, also called page jump or bookmark. If you want to jump another page, then you uh, add anchor links. Navigate to a specific section within the same page. If you want to navigate uh, a specific part in same page, then you use anchor links. Two steps, set an ID where you want to jump and create a link to ID. Anchor links. This is an example of anchor links. How it's look like. Anchor links example, setting the destination. H2, this is the heading tag. ID, we here we discuss two step. Set ID where you want to jump. So here it's a set ID, content, contact us. So contact us means it's provide ID, contact us. If you have link, then you provide link. Go to the contact section. So easily you move to a particular section with the same page. So now time to practical. First we open our page. HTML project. Okay. So today we what we learn? Links, anchor links. So how we add? First we add external links. First we understand how external links work. So we add a tag, suggest href, they give href. See, so we added this. If you have like we here mentioned google.com, add and we see what is the output. Open in live server. See, it's add. If we click, it's open google google page. Like we have a html page, but it's move another page. So it's a external links. We use here external link. So second one is what we understand internal links. So how it's work? So you see this one is linking within the same page. So example we see if you have a contact area something like that, then you easily move. But we are not creating here any area, so you don't move anything. If you create big page of HTML, then you easily move. So we check other link. We easily move HTML2 like that, but we have only HTML1 page. So you see what is the output of this page. If we add HTML1, what is the see? This is our same page. You see reflection heading page. If you break here, then you easily understand. One break BR tag. So you check now. What is the result? See, this is the same page. This is move to another page. So in this video, we learned anchor tag and how to add link in web page and different type of links. So we easily understand in HTML how it work. Thank you.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.